Hi there, friends. Today I've got a treat for you, the Pastry Shop box of treats. Can't wait to get this open and see what's inside. I believe this is treat box number 10. So here I have my box of treats from Pastry Shop Quilts. Sherry over at Pastry Shop does such a great job. This box is $39.95 every month if you subscribe to it. Well, it's not every month, it's every 6 weeks. And that's kind of what I like about this, is that it's not monthly, it's every 6 weeks. So you have more time to do the projects in between. But if you would like to try this box as a one-time purchase, it is $45.95 before you commit to the subscription. You can do that as well. So I guarantee though you won't be disappointed if you get the subscription. So you open it, there's tissue paper right on top, and then there's always a paper from Sherry. Oh, the pattern looks great. Treat box number 10 is called Tulips Squared. Hard to believe this is box 10. This box comes to you as Mother's Day approaches. To honor the holiday, I've chosen a mother-daughter duo design team, Sherry and Chelsea. Oh, I like their fabric. And designed a floral quilt using their cheery spring prints from Simply Delightful. Okay, we got Simply Delightful in another box, and I really liked it, but there wasn't enough of it. So I'm excited to get more. This design brings the flowers together in a quadrant, creating another image for the quilt. I used one of Corey Yoder's white on white prints, coriander seeds. Oh yeah, I love coriander seeds. Because when I made the quilt, the Simply Delightful collection was not released yet. And I love the Corey's white on white prints. The white on white from Simply Delightful would be great with the quilt as well. And she gives you the SKU numbers for both of those, because usually we have to bring our background fabric. In keeping with the duo theme, I've included a scissor measuring tape duo pack featuring similar colors and designs from Sherry and Chelsea's collection. Your box includes a cake pop of green, which you'll need for the stems. There's 2 prints of fabrics included for your borders, and the box wouldn't be complete without a spool of silk finished thread for your binding and a colorful sweet treat. To complete the mother-daughter theme, your mini charm is Sherry and Chelsea's Emma collection. I hope this box brings a smile to your face and a reminder of the strength of mothers and daughters. Oh, that's nice. She always has the nicest little things in there. I love her little explanations. Okay, so this quilt is really cute. Here's the front cover. I'm going to show you, but I'm going to open it up and show you what the quilt looks like. So we got this fabric line in another box, and in that box we didn't get a whole lot of it, but I did like that pattern as well. But so I am really excited to get another one. So okay, this has, oh, here's the scissor measuring tape she was talking about. This is from Riley Blake. I do believe I've gotten this before, but snips and another measuring tape are always helpful around my house because I can't ever keep track of them. Here's that green little cake pop she was talking about. These are really cute. She always makes these look like a little lollipop when you need extra fabric for the quilt, and she said these are for the stems, so that's nice. Is that a green from the fabric line? It must be. Yeah, there's the green right there. So it's the same green that's in the fabric line. So it looks like we got 2 charm packs, which is awesome to work on this quilt. Here's the mini charm she was talking about. This is another Sherry and Chelsea line called Emma. This came out, I think, last fall, and the blues in this line are really yummy. I fell in love with those. So that's nice to have. I can make a little bag or something out of those. Now here's Simply Delightful. This is their new line, and their new line is almost like basics that you can mix with other things. It's not like their typical floral prints, so kind of a little bit different for them, but the colors are definitely them, and they're beautiful. So if you like their colors and you don't necessarily like this sort of basic thing, you can kind of cut this up to where you don't see it. But the way that Sherry's got it in this quilt, it actually looks really pretty. So really nice. Here's that Metler thread. It's a 50 weight cotton thread with a silk finish. And let's see, it is color 0739. It looks sort of like an orangey red. It's not quite red, maybe a coral red. Oh, and there's a little candy in the box. That's cute. Sherry always puts a little treat down in here, and my kids always fight over it, but I know that My son doesn't really like lollipops, but my daughter does, so she's gonna love that. And then it looks like this is the border fabric that she gave us. Let's open it up here. We've got this navy blue, which I love. This is actually one of my favorite prints from this line. Ooh, camera's all not adjusted. There we go. This is one of my favorite prints from the line. I really like this sort of orange peel looking, I guess. And then this is their reddish coral. It's kind of an orangey red polka dot from the line. Their polka dots are not my favorite. I love polka dots, but their huge polka dots are not my favorite. But I actually have some of this fabric in the blue, this like aqua blue color. So I might trade out this border for this aqua just because it's my taste, and then maybe use this for the binding. That would look really nice. But great box. Oh, love this fabric. I loved it in the other box we got it in. We just didn't get enough of it to make anything really. So here's that blue. Let me get to the blue. That's the blue I have right there in some yardage. So I think that would look really cute for the border instead of the red. Really nice. 2 of those. The little cake pop that goes along, the green for the stems. And here, let me show that again. Again, this one is called Tulip Squared, and these little pieces right here to make the stems of like the flower are the green. That's what you need the green for. And then this measuring tape and scissor, candy, thread, and the mini charm. So great box for $39.95. And like I said, if you subscribe, that's the price. If you would like to try one of her boxes without subscribing first to see if you like it, it's $45.95. But even if you sign up for the subscription, you can cancel it anytime. So no worries there if you don't like it going forward. Okay, well, another great box from Pastry Shop Quilt. I really like this box. I always give you guys my honest opinion. You guys know that. I love the little charm packs and this fabric. Not so fond of this fabric, but that's just a personal choice. I just don't love huge polka dots. So like I said, I'm going to replace this border fabric with the small aqua blue circles that I have because I just love that fabric. So, and great pattern. So I'm really excited to make this quilt. Again, it's called Tulip Squared. And if you are interested in this box and haven't received it yet, you can go ahead and go over to her shop. I'll link the website down below in my description box and pin it as the first comment down below this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting me and hopefully supporting this small, wonderful quilt shop, Pastry Shop Quilts. Take care, guys, and have a great day. Bye!